you in clearing UPSC prelims? Is that happening even after learning most of the equations and tricks? Or are you facing difficulties to understand the questions? Or are you finding it difficult to manage time during the exam? If your answer is yes, then you need a helping hand to overcome all these difficulties and to pass the exam. Dear friends, I am Abdus from Abdus CSAT App. We have been in touch with you for past 2 years through YouTube. From your feedback, I understand that it helped you in civil service examination CSAT paper, especially for maths and logical reasoning. Now we are extending our hands further by launching Abdus CSAT App. Here you are going to get materials like live and recorded classes, live mock tests, PDFs, videos, etc. Download the app now and support the journey towards success. Jai Hind.